If you are trying to watch a YouTube video but see the message this video is age restricted, don't worry. In this video I'll show you the official ways to fix this issue on your phone. So let's get started. So first open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right or top right corner depending on your app version. Next, tap Setting, then open General. Scroll down and look for Restricted Mode. If it's turned on, tap the toggle to turn it off. Restricted Mode is a safety feature that hides videos YouTube considers suitable only for mature audiences. Turning it off may allow you to watch more content, but some videos will still remain unavailable if they require age verification. If you are still seeing the same message, the next thing to check is your Google account. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account and that your account has the correct date of birth. If your age does not meet YouTube's requirement, some videos will stay restricted even when restricted mode is turned off. Now let's check Google Family Link. If your Google account is supervised through Google Family Link, your parent or guardian may have enabled content restriction. In that case, you would not be able to remove those restrictions yourself. To check this, open your web browser to sign into your Google account. Go to your account setting and see whether your account is managed by Family Link or marked as a supervised account. If it is, only the family manager or parent can change these restrictions. If your account is not supervised and restricted mode is already turned off, try closing and reopening the YouTube app. You can also update the app from the Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.